There we go. So just check my YouTube and everything. Just want to make sure everything is good and streaming right now. Good. Seems like it's streaming fine. Just want to check on Twitch also, because I'm doing streaming on Twitch and YouTube as well. Seems good. Also on Twitch. Good. So welcome everyone that is joining the stream. So today I'm with Dante. Actually we will do some TryHackMe. Last time I quit, it was day 2. So basically I was doing some beginner path on TryHackMe, which I will continue today. I was on the room called Pickle Rick. Dante helped me out to figure something about the room, because I was a bit lost at first, not gonna lie. I was actually using a Go Buster to try to get into the to find the directory on the website, and I was not able to find anything at all. So he helped me out to figure out basically what I was missing, and we figured out that my list I was using with GoBuster was just not finding like the good directory. So after I found that information, I was downloading them. I think it was like the common directory list or something like that. It was like basically a list with a lot of directory to just scan with GoBuster or FFUF. So basically I will be using this today to try to find more information and try to find the flags for the Pickle Rick bugs. So that's basically it. So enjoy the stream, and if you guys have any question, feel free to ask in the chat or in the comments. So I'll go back with Dante actually. There we go. Can you hear me well, Dante?
Test. Yes, I can hear you.
Good.
Can you hear me?
Yep. Because sometimes when I'm streaming, I'm having like issue with my mic or something like that. It's weird. So I just wanted to make sure like everything was working fine.
Gotcha. So, no, I can hear you just fine. Yeah, I haven't checked the YouTube to see if anybody can hear me, but it doesn't matter. As long as they can hear you, that's perfect.
Oh, I think the desktop sound like of my computer is recorded with the music and everything, so I don't know. Probably you will be hearing yourself. You can check on the if you want to go on my YouTube stream, you can check if you can hear yourself. Just like talk to me normally, and you should be hearing yourself normally on the stream directly. I don't know if the sound will be like too loud or something like that, because actually I boosted the audio for the music and everything.
Let me actually mute this real quick.
Yeah, take your time. Anyway, I'm like connecting and everything my VPN. Yeah, take your time. Anyway, I'm like connecting and everything my Oh. Fuck.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I can hear myself. Everything's good.
Good.
But yeah, Pickle Rick.
Pickle Rick. I'll actually just go in another tab so I don't like flush my VPN. Put it there. Get in another tab. And go on TryHackMe. I'm actually in the top 16%. That's cool. That's really cool. I don't like I was saying. I think in the previous stream, I don't feel like I did that much on TryHackMe, but I think like Droid told me that basically. What's up, Hunter? I didn't see the message. Okay. So yeah, basically Droid was saying that basically people are just like I don't know, just giving up after like a couple hour or a couple like boxes because they find it too difficult because there was like always more thing to learn. So he told me as long as you keep grinding and you keep your motivation, you will be like in the top like 1% on TryHackMe and everything. So I was like, that's cool actually, because I thought that would be like so bad and it will took so long to like grind in the position on TryHackMe and everything. But it seems like it's going pretty fast right now. But maybe I will like meet a point where I'll be like with people really passionate, and then it will be like long to grind my position in.
Yeah, man. It is possible to get your percentage up real quickly too. I think I'm top 3%, but I want to get up to that top 1%. But I've only done like beginner boxes, so yeah, and of course like a lot of the reading.
But that's cool. That's cool. We are starting with beginner box, and we will like get to bucks like medium and high. So we will get there. We just need some times and need to learn all the basic. And once we are comfortable with like easy box and everything, then we can slam into medium box and yeah.
Absolutely, man. Yeah. Just takes a little bit of time and patience.
Yep. I'm just trying to see here if I downloaded the common word list.
Yeah, from seconds.
Okay, I actually have common.txt on my download. Actually, I should like probably do a cleanup in this because there will be so much thing like in the couple stream. I don't really know how I will manage all this, to be honest. So basically I will just probably move that. Let me just check with like another instance where I can put it, because I want like to have a place where I can put like all my lists. Maybe I can just create a folder, so like make directory and name it like I don't know, list or something like that.
There's already user share word lists.
Yep.
If slash here, I'll put it in the Discord.
But actually I was looking to like create my own, because sometimes I just forget the path about like user share and word list. So sometimes I just need like to search again. So I was thinking about just like creating a folder so it's close to my download document and everything. So this way I can just like find it easily. Do you think it's a good idea, or should I?
Yeah, absolutely.
I guess it's like personal also, because like people want to use it like as default, but I think it could be good also to get like I don't know, personal touch with your setup and everything.
Yeah, personalize it. Put everything where you want it to be, you know, wherever it's convenient.
Okay, so I will put it here.
But yeah.
Anyway, I can change the place of it after that, so it's not like a really big deal here. So word lists.
Spec lists inside of Bug Bounty. So I have user share word list, but then I just made my own word list area. So I did the same thing that you're doing.
Mm-hmm. Common.txt, and I will need to put mv to move it into in word list. There we go. So now if I go in there we go. So if I try to open it with nano just to be sure everything is in there. There we go. Okay, so there's plenty here. Good. So I'll just try to run it. Do you recommend me to use FFUF? Because I know you was talking to me about FFUF earlier, and you told me that it was probably better than GoBuster. I'm used to, like, I'm actually always using GoBuster, but if you think like FFUF is better, actually, I could be starting to use FFUF.
Yeah, so a lot of the bigger names and like bug bounty and penetration testing I've seen on YouTube, they use FFUF.
Okay.
A lot of people, they use WFuzz as well, but I like FFUF. I think it's the fastest and easiest to use, but yeah, you should learn all of them.
Like,
Yeah, try FFUF out.
yep. And I think for the word list should be like a -W and then specify where is the word list, correct?
Yep,
Like, I don't know
I'll
the
give you
syntax.
an example. It's a -W, and then you would put your word list, and then -U after that for your domain.
So the domain should be like the IP address, the target, right?
Exactly. You should put HTTP like this.
Oh, I should put like HTTP in front of it.
That's how I do it. I don't know if FFUF will work without it.
Okay, I will try. I should have read like the manual of that actually. Like manual.
Yeah, you can do FFUF -H. Or yeah, man is good too.
So headers X. Okay, so this is the HTTP options. General option. So rate. Filter. Input request. Oh, there's so much.
Yeah.
I just
You
want to
gotta
get the
put an
basics. So
example.
basically target URL. I'll try to do it without the HTTP actually. And the word list, and I guess I can just try it like that. Will it work? Error.
You need to put a fuzz in there.
I need to put a what?
You need to put a fuzz in there. If you check the YouTube chat, it should have came through by now. There's an example in the YouTube chat.
The last thing I see right now from you was like the word list.
Oh, gotcha. Hold on. And I'll just, I guess I can put it in the.
Oh yeah, put it
Discord
on
chat.
Discord if you want to.
Gotcha. There's an example FFUF, and it just you don't have to use anything like -MC or -FC. Just do the -U and the -W.
So basically you just wrote the -W like I did with the common.txt and
Mm-hmm.
example /fuzz. So why do you do like an example?
That was like there was a directory called examples, so I wanted to fuzz for anything inside of that directory. But for you, you would just put the port number and then just put a slash and then put fuzz after the slash.
Okay, so you need to
So
input where you want it to fuzz.
Exactly, and the port number too. You don't need to do the port, but it'll assume you want port 80 if you don't.
Actually, I think like for this box, it's actually using like the port. It's 80, yeah. So I will not change anything about that. I will just do a slash and fuzz. It need to be
Exactly.
capital.
Yes, all letters. FUSS. Or, I mean, ZZ.
Response status, follow, redirect, false. Or maybe it needs like the HTTP like you said.
Gotcha, yeah, try that. I've never tried it without HTTP.
Doesn't seems to work either. I don't know what is the response. Oh yeah, you're right. Sorry.
HTTP. Yeah.
Still.
Hold on.
Why is it
It's
not
like
working?
this.
Oh, I'm so bad.
You're good, man.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it really needs the HTTP in front. So basically, it founds asset. That's all.
It's that common.txt you have is really short. It's outdated. Let me see.
I thought it was like the good one. Common.
It only has 2,000 words.
Word list directory.
Okay,
yeah. Maybe it's this one. Directory all word list, common word list directory. It says 5 years ago though. Yeah, this is.
Use the one from sec lists.
Okay.
It has 4,700 words. I'll give you the link in 1 second.
I think I found it. 4,730, right?
Yep, that's the one.
Okay.
Try that one out.
So it's called the same thing though. I will just like erase this one. So remove common. Like, I'm a bit rusty because I did not use my Linux since like 1 week or something like that. So.
No problem.
Okay, so I'll just go in my CD download. Oops. No, not with the S. Oh my god. Case sensitive. What the?
Yeah.
Okay. I will get it.
There we go.
Good. So I'll use them. There we go. So scanning for the directories. Oh, so we got. Okay, so we got way more things going on here. So basically, if I remember right, the 403 is false, right? It's something you don't have access to, right? Or possibly. I don't remember exactly. I know that 2200 is like a true directory, is like it existing, but I don't remember about like the 403.
So those are status codes. It just tells you the status of your request. If you make a request and it's a successful request, you get a 200 status.
Okay.
If you make a request and it gets denied, if it's denied, you get a 403. So it's just denying you access to that resource.
Okay.
That file.
Get it. So basically, I should probably go check for robot.txt first of all.
I agree.
just in case.
It'll tell you some interesting stuff.
Nice. So basically we got like something weird here. I don't know what it is exactly, but I will take it in my notes. So we got a username actually that we got on the last stream, which was in the web developer tools. We were able to gather this as a comment. It was just saying like, don't forget the username is this. So I just took a note from it. And I don't know what is this, but we can probably try it as a password or something like that. I can actually try to go as a directory, but I don't think it's a directory here. But just to be sure. No, nothing.
Absolutely. Try it as a directory, and if we find like a login panel, try it as a password, because we have Rick Rules as a username.
Mm-hmm. Good. So I'll just close this. So we got the robot.txt. Which one others was? So index.html. This seems interesting also.
Let's try it out.
Don't seems to go anywhere. But why?
Right. So index.html is just the home page. It's
just like not listed here because it's like default when you open the web page.
Exactly.
Okay. And
I was gonna say you should fuzz for more stuff.
yeah, probably.
If you get sec lists, you can look for a login panel.
Secless.
Not sure.
Yeah, I remember that. I'm trying to do it as I had no clue, because I know we checked it out from off stream together and everything. So I was just like trying to find it by myself, but I totally forgot that we had a check for login page.
Yep. No, I get it. Yeah, it's best to attack it like you don't remember, or, don't know what you're
Yeah, I don't want to like have like. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh no, I'm sorry. It's the delay, but I sent you a word list so you can look for logins. This would just be like a normal thing. You fuzzed the common.txt, and now we're looking for logins.
Good. So I'll get this, and I will put it as well in my. So I guess I can. Yeah, I will just go back in my download folders and move it to. What is it called again? It's login. Where is login here? Oh, there we go. So just copy that and I'll move it to word list as well. There you go.
Nice.
And we'll use it as well in FFUF, just with the different word lists. So we will use the logins.fuzz.txt, which is for finding. Oops, did I do mistakes? Oh, I think it was the name. Yeah. So we are looking for login page, because we got like, I guess, username and maybe a password here. So we want to find a login page where we can enter these credentials, because on the last stream we did try to get into SSH, but it's just denying everything when you're trying to log in. So doesn't make sense that we can log in through SSH there with those username and password. So it found here login.php seems to be true. Seems like there's other interesting things here. I don't know what it is exactly, but we will try to go first at login.php.
Yeah, so those, whenever I've ran a scan, those always show up, those last three. It's just because it's looking for a parameter, and this web server might allow all parameters. As you can see, like it's a question mark and then page equals admin. That's just an extra parameter that you would add to the directory. But yeah, you can test those out, but I don't think that they're real endpoints.
Okay. So we got we got the login.php, which is a good thing. So we will try to actually input the username we got from here, and I guess password from this. Here we go. So we are logged in. So that's cool.
Yay.
So portal.php is the login page, and this was the password for an account. So that's good. Just want to capture that as well, and put it in my notes. So do I have something about it? No. So I guess I will just like fuzzing. So ffuf. So I'm just taking this as a syntax. So basically it's way easier for me to just like copy it from there and just replace what I need in it.
Do that too. I have a file with a whole bunch of different commands for a whole bunch of different tools.
Slash files. Good. That's cool. Okay, so we'll just try to see what we can do here. So this is the rig portal, as you can see. So here we have a command. So I don't know what we can do in there yet. I will check for other tabs first. So it's okay. So it's just an image. Only the real rig can view this. Okay, same for creature. Oh, you can see here it's saying denied. So it's basically denying us from accessing those directory, I guess. Yeah, seems to be the same thing for every directory here. So the only one we got is the command. Okay. So let's try to input like something like ls or something like that, just to see if we can see directories. Oh.
Yeah.
So actually it's inputting command, I guess, on this remote server or something like that, because we can see actually content from here. So the login portal.php, which we are in right now, deny.php, clue, and a txt. So we want probably to cat this. So I will try to cat this because I want to see. So I want to see the. Because I want to see what's inside. Because it says it's super secret pickle Ingrid. So probably like.
It's one of the.
Yeah, probably something I need to input here. So I'll just try to cat it. Command disable to make it hard for future pickle Rick. So we cannot use cat for see the actual content of the file. Okay. So probably maybe there is like another way to see file, but I don't know them really well, to be honest. So I'll just try to see. Yeah, maybe ChatGPT. I will just check if I can get a ChatGPT tab.
Yeah, that's, if you can't use one command, there's probably 1,000 other commands that do the same exact thing.
What will be the command? Oops. To see the content of app.txt file on Linux other than cat. Because we did use cat, but it was not working. Okay, so we got less. So we can try that first. So less.
Less, more. We got them all.
Nice. So basically the first one it was recommending was less, and it's working. We did got the output.
Nice.
So I'll just input it here. Nice, so correct. I'll actually, so there's something else here. So we saw that there's this one, assets, and another txt file, which is interesting. I'll actually try to less the clue.txt as well.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
So look around the file system for the other ingredient. Okay, so we'll actually go. So right now I think we did all the check we can do here because there is no other txt file. Yeah, denied, index, login, portal, and robot. All that we actually all visited all those file actually or directory. So, and there's none.
Have you checked
nothing
assets?
interesting. What?
Have you checked assets yet?
I think I did in the previous stream, but I can look again, or maybe I can just.
Oh, okay. If you didn't already.
I can. I think I. Oh no, I cannot go in there. I think I need to go here. Oops. And go for the assets. Yeah, I did visit this, but there was like nothing interesting. So basically just image, GIF. Seems like there's nothing interesting here. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I don't think anything's cool is in there.
So we can actually try to ls, because I don't think we can move into something. Like for example, if I go like cd ... execute, if I ls, okay, still at the same place. So we will need to use ls to list the directories or file. And I think we can just go back and list back. Oh, so this is like the home. Didn't mean to do that though. ls. It would be like that, I guess. Or maybe another one. Oh yeah.
Right.
Okay, so there is stuff here. So backup, cache, crash, lib, local, lock, log, mail, opt, run, snap, spool. Okay, there's many. Oh, and I need to write it down every time. For example, if I go in.
Ingredient.
What?
That last one said ingredients.txt. You could try finding, try using the find command. So like, I'll type it in the Discord. Find slash name.
Yeah, like find .txt. Oh.
I was thinking something like that.
Yeah, because actually it's trying to search only in the directory I'm in right now, I think. But by precising,
Oh,
I guess. If I go .txt like that, but I precise this, no.
if you look in the Discord real fast,
Yep.
I put a command. It'll do find, because you want to search the home directory and everything under it. Because right now, yeah, it's only searching that directory, the HTML that you're in.
Oh,
But
what's
try
up?
find dash.
Okay. What's up, everyone that joined the stream? Sorry, I didn't see any message. So hello, Ghost. Hello, Agent. So basically, we are doing TryHackMe today with Dante, who is helping me out with a box he already did. So we are trying to basically get the flag from the box, which is called Pickle Rick.
Is it?
So you sent me the syntax, like you said. So I'll just copy that, actually. So you told me to search for ingredient.
Yeah, just because it seemed like that might be like a keyword for the flags. Maybe it's like ingredient number 2.txt or something. So I would try and find anything .text with ingredients in it. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so we got another. So it means it's probably not a .txt, right? I guess. I don't know. I will assume it's a
You might
.txt
be able to read it.
because it's or maybe it's not to like give it more difficulties. Because I did try to do a find on the .txt. How will I actually input the command that will say like to check at the first directory? So basically we'll check like all the directory.
That's the one I sent you. Find dash. It'll go search everything in that.
So the dash
top
is
current
actually
directory.
okay, yeah. So basically if I write like this, it should be searching for everything that is like .txt, right? Because that will be like the first thing I will
You
do.
want to do. It's actually, you need the dash name in there. So find dash name .text.
Oh, dash name. Yeah.
I put it in the Discord.
Oh, and you need the little things around the .txt too. Otherwise, it's not working.
I think so.
Just want to try it out without it. Okay, don't seems to
Gotcha.
be working like that. Oh, okay, so there's plenty of things here. Damn. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think we will search for a bit. If I just check into that. But that will be like my first guess. It will be just to check all the TXT, but there's so much.
Yeah.
Uh,
Absolutely.
How did you
Forget
get
about
like the
that-
hint
that
to
can be
just check
ingredient.
for ingredients?
Just because the first the first file was called super secret ingredients.
Mm.
So ingredient seemed like a keyword.
Okay. Seems a good idea. Oops. Okay, so we got a second ingredient directory, I presume. So I'll ls, and I don't know if I can I list that from there? No, I cannot. So I'll need to, because the home directory is, I'm so bad, like
I think it's a file.
You think it's a file? Because it doesn't have any extension on it.
In Linux, you don't need it. You can just, Linux knows what type of file it is.
So if I type like less,
Yeah, see if it works.
don't seems to be working.
Oh, okay. I'll type something in the chat real fast.
If I go
do ls-l, it'll show you.
Oops. So you want me to do ls? Yeah, like that you can see like the extension and write and everything, but seems like a directory for me.
I think you're right. Why can't we view it though?
Oops. Because probably we are not like at the good place, I guess. What is like the command for search to the bottom of the like the first directory? Do you know?
It would be the find. If you do find and then dash, it'll go all the way from the top and it'll search all the way down recursively.
But like for an ls.
Yeah, that doesn't. Oh.
Oh, maybe for an ls we can like actually like go and just look for it because it was home. So maybe I can just like find where is home. Home it's there. So ls and home, and what was it again?
It was 3.
Rick.
And then home. And then do home/Rick. ls.home/Rick.
Okay, so there's nothing, or it's not a directory actually. So if I stop there and just do a Rick, second ingredient. Okay, so we are in the good directory.
Okay, so you can. Just doesn't show you. What if you do file? File tells you what kind of file it is.
Or just like lsla.
Yeah, but that's not working. Let me see.
So maybe file. Maybe you're right. File.
Put it in the Discord again.
So it says it's a Rick is a directory, which is true.
Oh, we can't. Oh wait.
File.
Yeah, you can read it. You should be able to read that.
Can that open? Rick second. Oh. Okay. I think I understand now. It's because you need like quotation or something like that, because it's like there's a space between ingredient and second. So probably you need like this to specify it's a one name or something like that.
Maybe in quotation.
So ls.
Did you do less
I
with
did
that
not.
same command? See if
Less.
that works.
Ooh. You're a genius.
What worked?
Yep.
Oh, the delay was there. Nice, it worked.
Actually,
So that's
I just want to
not
figure.
how I found that. Like,
I just want to figure out why though. When I did like file, it's not like saying what's the actual file. Oh, so it says it's an ASCII text when I do a file on it command.
oh, okay. There we go.
Okay.
Now it actually reads.
Yeah. It really needs the quotation marks. Need to remember that. Pretty important. Okay. Okay. So now that we found the second one, now we need to find the third one. So what is the last and final ingredient? But I don't think we have any. No, we don't have any advice or anything like that for the last one.
Yeah. So let's see if we can just ls into home/Rick. I want to see home/Rick.
If there's like
We have
anything
access to
else.
Yeah, absolutely. If there's anything else in it.
So it says that there's second ingredient. I will actually do a ls dash la just to be sure, because sometimes when you do just ls, it's not listing everything. Okay. So there's only second ingredient. But
Okay.
actually I found something else earlier, which was Ubuntu, which is weird.
Like a directory or a file?
Seems like a directory.
Oh, yeah. That's weird.
So let's check it out. Just to be sure. So there's it seems like there's thing into it, like bash history, bash logout, cache, profile, SSH. SSH seems interesting though.
Yeah, let's check out the SSH directory.
So basically
Although I don't
was
think we can view it.
so it was Ubuntu .ssh. No, we cannot.
Oh, okay. Well, that means we gotta find another way. Can you create files in here? Like echo test into test.txt? Like this.
Like make directory? Or just files?
You know the echo command? It'll echo text into a file. Because if we can create a file here, I mean, we might be able to create a shell.
Seems like it did not create anything.
Okay.
Wait, I will check something. Can I? Okay, if I try to actually start, oh, my music stopped. There you go. Can I just get out of here? Yeah. So if I start a listener, like on port 1234, and just try to do like a ping command from here.
Ooh, there you go. You'll have to use your IP address that's above your terminal, your tunnel,
Yep.
or your TryHackMe IP address. Yeah. And then on port.
Oh, I need to input the port as well. Yeah, I forgot that. If I stop that and just 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if I can do that actually. Oh, it seems to be loading infinite. Okay, is my machine broken? Can I do like something else? Like,
That is cool.
oh, my machine seems totally broken. Let me try to open a new one. It seems down. Why? Okay.
That is weird. Try just the IP address, the homepage.
The homepage is like that is working, but when I go on portal, it seems to be down.
Yeah, go to login.php and you gotta sign in again. This happened to me.
It just don't seems to be loading anymore.
I think your cookies died for it, so you gotta re-log in again. Oh, that even the login page wasn't working.
No. And my machine's still up. Am I able to ping it? Oops. I'm able to ping it. This is so weird.
Yeah, that is weird. Go back to the home page. We're gonna delete your administrator cookie. I think that's why this isn't working. And then go to the developer tools.
Oh, can I go like in the preference and everything? I think I can actually delete my cookie from there.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
If I remember right, like clear data, cookie inside data, remove. There we go.
Now you should be able to log in again. Oh, it'll make you want to log in .php.
Good.
helper.
Okay. I will actually retry the command you sent me. So the echo, just in case. And if I do ls,
Oh yeah, maybe.
don't seems to be working either. Okay. Can I actually use
You overwrite one of those files like clue.txt. If you echo test into clue.txt.
oh, maybe I can do that. Just want to check something first.
Gotcha.
So if I do like a basic netcat command, which will be my IP 123, and if I start my listener here on the 1 2 3 4 and execute, don't seems to get a reverse shell here. We can try another one from using bash.
I'll actually.
Don't seems to be working. There's even one with Python. So we got the port and everything. So I will need to go replace the IP.
This is my trusty reverse shell that I always use.
I'll check that out. Okay. I can try that as well. None of them have been working so far. So 10.9. Don't seems to be working. So it seems like it's not executing any like netcat command or Python, because it's not able at all to execute anything here. I remember what you did like last time a bit. I think you like started a server or something like that, and you just like sent or like opened something on the machine, like on the web server, and you was able to basically just go get the file from there. If I remember correctly.
So there's like web shells you can host. I'm trying to remember how I got the shell, because if you can't upload files to here, or you should try overriding clue.txt as well. See if you can override it, because if you can, then, or even actually any file in the HTML.
Okay, so basically if I go on here we got the clue.txt that I can probably overwrite, I guess, or maybe not. I'll just try to do echo test and shoot it into clue.txt, and after that we'll try to less foo.txt to see the content of it. Seems like it's not working.
Okay,
It's not changing anything from there. So
Okay, let me check my notes.
you don't remember all you did?
Yeah, I've done like 10 boxes since I did that one, but
Yeah.
I have my notes right here.
All good, all good. Uh,
Okay. Need to write better notes.
It's all good. Check if you can upload or access web shell on the target machine. If the target application has a local file inclusion vulnerability, you might be able to include it. I don't think I can include any file from here. No. Exploit
You run sudo in there?
I don't know. Like sudo what? Well, how can I test it?
Like, remember, we weren't able to read certain files. Try sudo. Try sudo less, and then I guess the second ingredient. No.
No, the second ingredient we did find it. So we don't have any file that we cannot read right now or anything like that.
Oh, remember when you did the .text? When you found like hundreds of .text files?
Yeah, it was like
Can
find.
you Control F on?
Oh, yeah, that could be a really good idea. So you can filter the output, or just grep.
Yeah, exactly.
Or
it might.
It
might actually output it.
It was .txt.
And another thing is, we never checked for a root directory.
Found it. Pretty sure it's
nice.
this.
Okay, so that's the first ingredient.
Oh, this is the first one? Oh yeah, I think you're right.
That's the first one, remember?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, just look for like third or something, or because the second one wasn't called second. Well, actually, yeah, it was. It was called second. So look for 3 something. I don't know. Yeah, there's way too many.
Yeah, there's plenty.
What about 3RD? Also, if you want, you can look for a root directory because it's probably in the root directory if there is one.
You think so?
Oh yeah, that's where the last flag is always at on these boxes. It's called root.txt, but we just need to find. Oh, okay, perfect. Do you know how you did ls.///home?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of home, write root. I think it'll be like this. Is there a root in there? There is, okay. let's try and view that.
Don't. I think I did it wrong. Wait, I'm a bit lost right now. So was it here?
I think so.
Home.
Yeah, it's in there.
Root. Okay. So root. But don't seems to give me anything. Can I actually... sudo?
Oh yeah, try sudo at the beginning.
Oh.
That's a great idea. Hey, nice.
So we can less.
Yeah, try less. See if it'll let you view it.
Probably can do a sudo on this as well.
I think you'll need to. Isn't that too many dot slashes?
Yeah, you're right. This is becoming confusing when you got like that many, or maybe less. Maybe the sudo is not necessary. Okay, I'm a bit confused with that. LSLA root.
But it showed the root folder.
Sudo. Okay, so this is the good location.
Oh, okay. So let's go back to that last one. And then get rid of ls and just type less.
Got it.
Hey, heck yeah. Nice, dude.
My browser is broken.
Very nice. Right when you get the answer, it doesn't work.
What?
Oh, is it because you're just supposed to type Fleep juice by itself?
Yeah. I think. But it's not giving me like any error. Wait.
I saw that,
error.
yeah.
Yo, this is broken. Oh, cause I did log out because oh my god. I did log out my account because of the cookie and everything. Give me a moment, I will just connect back my account.
Gotcha, yeah, dude.
Yo, I was so confused. I was like, no way, this is not the good answer. This is like some bamboozle.
Better trick us.
There we go. Should be working now. There we go, now we got the error. Let's go!
Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Pickle Rick.
It was a bit confusing, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's a tough box. I don't think it's actually easy. But
Do you have like any other recommendation, or do you want like to try actually another box, but we do it like on our side so we can find like together clues about the box and just like do it together, or it's really up for you?
yeah, absolutely.
That could be fun for you too,
Here's how I
because
find on my phone.
Because right now you're just like watching me do boxes.
That's better, actually. Yeah, that works a whole lot better. That link I just sent you,
Yep.
it filters for free boxes and the most popular boxes on TryHackMe. But that's how I choose.
Discover more extended search. So which one did you do already? I want to pick a one you did not do actually. That would be actually like my first box for like other things that than beginner path on TryHackMe. So it will basically be oh no, I did another one with Jack and you as well on stream. So it will be like my third box.
Nice. Yeah, let's keep adding to the list. I guess I've done quite a few. Let me check real fast. Have you done?
It can be like a Windows machine also. Like I'm pretty comfortable with like Windows, but I never did like hacking Windows. But I'm comfortable as hell with Windows things. I know Jack has like some issue with Windows and everything.
There is a Windows box called Anthem, but there's also Root It. That's another easy Linux box. So
You never
would
did it?
to Root It? No.
I will let you choose. It's really up for you.
Oh, okay. Let's do Root It. Send you the link.
Root it. Okay. Root it. So it's this one? Okay, you sent me the link. Oh, I'm actually, I think, already in it. I think it's the good one. Just want to make sure.
Oh, yeah. That's the right one.
Okay. Good. What's up, Gun Void Walker? How are you, man? Okay, so I will power up this. So it says to access better install. What? Okay, join room. Good. So I'll start the machine. Good. So the machine started. Just passing by. I will be back when you stream again. Good, man. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it. We are just doing like boxes and hanging around, talking cybersecurity and grinding on TryHackMe as well. So yeah, feel free to pass anytime, and I'm happy to see that people are enjoying the stream.
YouTube.
Okay, so basically this box you will learn about brute forcing, hash cracking, and privilege escalation. Yeah, you actually know that I'm so bad at like both of these three, so it will be pretty difficult. But yeah, let's do it.
I'm new too, man. It'll be fun.
Yeah,
It'll be a challenge.
Okay, so before attacking, let's get information about the target. Search for open port using Nmap. How many ports are open? So okay, we'll start with basic things. So I'll just do an Nmap with the IP. Actually, I'll do like a full port scan maybe on that. Don't want to miss anything, and I will speed it up.
Got you.
Oh, actually, it's asking for version also. Maybe I should like just include that as well. Like SV is pretty important. Is it SV? I don't remember for version.
Oh, version for. Oh, okay. I just do dash A.
Oh, so you just aggressive scan.
Training. But let me.
Most of the time, I'm just like inputting the. Oh, it's SV. S with a capital V for version.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's scanning. I don't know if the scan will be really long. It says 7 minutes. It's pretty long. Maybe I should do like a normal scan first.
I do top ports 30,000, so that way it just checks like half of the best ports pretty much.
I'll do like SV for the. Okay, so we got OpenSH 7.6 P1, so that is interesting as well. For example, if I input here. Okay, so there's only 2 port open, since I did input 2 in the how many ports are open and it's correct. So the version of SSH, did you find it yet?
No, I just got my mmap started, but
Okay.
mine won't take as long because I'm not doing as many ports. But I can see your screen though.
Okay. Oh, so it's open, it wants the full thing. Just copy that. So the version of Apache. Okay, just want the number. Which Linux distribution is running on this? Service info seems to be Linux. It says Linux kernel, but it doesn't say anything about this. Oops. Linux. It says distro. Okay, I don't have the information about the distro though. Oh, it says Ubuntu.
Yeah, it's probably open.
Nice. Search for hidden directory on the web server. What is the hidden directory? We'll try to fuzz that. So
Dang, slow down. Speedy Gonzalez.
I know you will get me one like at one point, so I'm trying to grind.
I feel it. Okay, yeah, I just got my MBAC back, so.
For the moment, the reconnaissance is pretty easy.
Yeah, this part's pretty easy. But getting the shell will be pretty hard. Privilege escalation, that'll be.
Yeah, that's where I think I would like have some challenge. That's why I'm like doing this as at my speed, and I guess you will just like pass me into that.
We'll see. You might. I mean, you just did a box by yourself, pretty much. So.
You helped me a lot about it. Okay, so
I guess.
So index dot. Okay. So we got like a default Apache Ubuntu default page. We got like an admin, so it says 301, so I don't know if it will work. We'll try it just in case. Ooh.
Oh, yep, that's the one.
Found it. Are you at the same place as me right now?
Yeah, but I kind of cheated. I saw that you had an admin. I haven't run FFF yet. I'm running
Okay.
it right now, though.
I basically ran the common sec list and just saw the result. But basically, I think it was like the same mindset. I will actually wait for you. We'll do it together. It will
Oh,
be
okay.
more
Got
fun.
you. Yeah, this will only take 1 second. I just gotta.
I was like
finish
speed
the-
running the reconnaissance phase.
I know. That's good, though. That means you're learning, bro. We're both learning.
Okay, so find a form to get a shell on SSH. So basically, we saw like earlier that there was OpenSSH, Ubuntu. So we got the version here. So I think the first thing I will do is actually try to get just like an SSH with like Anonymous, something like that, just to try if Anonymous is deactivated. We never know.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I mean, yeah, you can log into FTP servers anonymously, so you never know.
Oh, so it's asking for password. I will try to Anonymous. Try again. Don't seems to be working.
Try password.
What?
Try just password.
Permission denied.
Oh, man. Okay. We have.
Or just no password? No, it needs a password. Okay, so we don't have anything about that. So we got a login page actually. Just want to maybe check them.
Page source.
Yeah, maybe the page source, because it says find a form to get a shell on SSH. What is the user password of the admin panel? So we need to find the creds. So I guess the first thing I will... The
Yeah,
username
just
is
found
admin. Nice. So if you check the page source, you can see that there's a comment where it says that it's admin.
Got you.
THM. I'll just put like a THM.
I'm gonna start Hydra. I'm gonna start a brute force. Just try and log into John's account with Hydra.
Okay. Pickle. Now I'll put another one, which is this was, what was the name of this again? Root it. Okay, so username, just write it here in my notes, which is admin, because we found it from web. Just source code. This is good. So is there anything else good around here? Don't seems like there's anything else. I'll just try admin just in case. Don't seems to be working. So maybe. So you started the Hydra.
Password. Yeah, I did. I started the Hydra, but we could also brute force the admin page as well.
Can you actually like use FFUF or GoBuster to like brute force things? Or mainly Hydra?
Yep, I do. I use you can use FFUF for brute forcing, but you have to, you know, like in Burp Suite, when you send a post request, that's what, like when you're logging in, you're sending a post request with your username and your password. So you can use FFUF, and then it'll, like, you can add headers, you can add cookie data, post data, Yeah, you can brute force.
I'll try to use FFUF as like a multitask tools and just try to master it. So I don't want to fuzz here. So it will be an admin. And I will try to get like another word list because I don't have like a good word list for like password. So like common password for login page list. $10 million password list, top 10,000. Do you think this is good? Secless. This seems pretty good.
Yeah, it gives you the top 10,000. I use that one.
I'll actually just move that away and go into my downloads. Oh. I'm really enjoying doing this. This is fun.
Dude, yeah, this is a lot of fun, yeah. Multi-hacking.
And at the same time, it's like building me like my own lab with like my list of like word for password, and so it's really cool because I'm just like learning tools and getting a list for later.
Yeah, absolutely. That's how I see it too. I started a whole directory for just tools and commands, how to use them.
I will put it in word list ls, and from there I can go to my word list directory. List. Wait.
There's also another password list. There's a password list called rockyou.text with 14 million passwords.
No way. I got this actually on my machine, I think, in my like default. I think it's like default on Kali, is it? Or maybe not.
Yeah, it is. It's in user share word lists.
Okay, so I'll actually use this one as, and I will try to FFUF login, not this one, just erase this. So how can I actually use FFUF for, how to use FFUF for brute forcing?
So I'm actually about to do that. I'm gonna copy the post request and then I'll send you the entire FFUF command.
So file brute forcing, so this is not what I meant to. Okay, I will just, I need when I'm asking him, it says it may not be the most suitable tool since it's primarily designed for web directory and parameters brute forcing. For brute forcing password in a login scenario, you typically need a tool that can handle login form and password dictionary effectively. So it says to be using Hydra. That it will be more efficient. And it's in that FFUF is not made for that.
Gotcha. Yeah, that's probably true, but I still use FFUF for a lot of password brute forcing because it's so fast.
Like in a scenario where I want to like brute force a password, what will be like the next step I need to take? Because right now I inputted the URL with the location of the admin directory, and I did change the word list. So what will be next?
So what we'll have to do now is you'll have to do a -D for post data, and then you'll add like your username equals admin, and then password equals fuzz.
Okay, so username equal. Oh, do I need to like input it in a capital letter? Probably.
The fuzz part you do for certain, but anything else, like what you have to do though is I don't know what the parameters are for this request yet. We need to check that. You can check that in your developer tools. So if you press when you press login, it's sending a request with parameters, and we need to know the parameters. Oh, actually inspect instead. I guess it does show it there. Here we go. Oh yeah, and we'll need cookie data in there as well. Like I said, 1 second, and then I will send you the entire command.
So it seems to be a get request here.
Oh, you see that post?
Why
right above it, there's a post request.
Yeah. Oops. Post. What do I need to do with all that? Origin, refer, request, response, cookie. So do you know what I should do with all that? Or maybe I can just use Hydra. Maybe it's...
You probably can. Probably easier.
No, like, I'm pretty sure we can do something, but I just don't know how to use FFUF properly yet.
I almost have the whole command, and then I'll send it. But yeah, if you want to look up a Hydra command for logging in, you can. You just have to include post data.
I don't know Hydra really well. Okay, so this would be for the username, which is admin. This would be the word list. Maybe I could go with the raw cube, or maybe in the, I don't know. Raw cube could be good. SSH. Here is like a web, so I don't. What is the user password of the admin panel? So here is a web, so I guess I need to input something else.
Almost done.
slash admin.
Okay. So, here is a command for brute forcing with fuck. This is why most people use Hydra, because this is a crazy command. But yeah.
Damn.
Here's that. Yeah.
Okay. Damn. Yeah, probably stick with Hydra then.
Yeah. I don't blame you.
I guess I'll use Hydra, but the only thing is Hydra. I think I'm getting error here. What is it saying? It says my syntax is not correct. Oh, I need to input a service. But because it's web, how could I do it? Oh, login.php, HTTP post form. Oh, so I need to input that it's a HTTP post.
Yeah, it's kind of finicky. Yeah. The syntax for Hydra is kind of weird when it's just HTTP post.
Yeah, I guess they could have made it for default because it's like a pretty common use, I guess. Oh, I know I need to...
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh my god, this is so long. Example... admin, okay. And HTTP example.com. Oh my god, I don't like the syntax at all.
I know. It's brute forcing. The syntax for brute forcing is crazy.
Example, and it will be...
I'll be right back.
Yep.
I'm back. But none of my fuzzing is working.
Really?
Yeah, not yet. The SSH hasn't hit yet. So I don't think, I guess maybe SSH isn't the way to go.
No,
It's been
I
running
think
for
it's
15 minutes.
directly in the login page from the web page. That's what they
I
meant.
think you're right.
I'm so lost with like the I cannot even start my Hydra because I don't understand shit about like the syntax here.
Let me look up the Hydra syntax real quick. Oh man, my dog's gonna keep barking. Oh man, Hydra's syntax is crazy. What about web servers? Hydra post requests.
ChatGPT doesn't want to help me out because it's violating the usage policy.
Oh man, you can just type, "I'm a security researcher." And it should give you what you want. Oh man, I just fuzzed 10,000 passwords.
And nothing.
Something we're missing here. And nothing, yeah. And shit.
Oh, I think I got it.
Oh, you got the command, or you?
I think. The word list was this. Whew. Seems to be working. 16 valid password found? No, I don't think so. I think it's broken.
That's hilarious. Admin QWERTY, let's see.
Why there's so much? Yeah, this is kind of stupid. Imagine one of them works.
Yeah, usually it shouldn't be doing that. I've never seen Hydra do that before.
Same. Why it's doing that?
Oh, okay. I know how to do this now.
Do you understand what I did? Okay, it's
yeah, I
definitely
found
not
the
working
command.
correctly. Why? HTTP form. I don't understand like what is the last thing at the end, which is like admin username equal user and password equal pass invalid username or password. I don't get that.
That part is telling Hydra what an invalid login looks like. So when we log in, when we press login on that screen.
Oh, it says username or password invalid, so you need to input that.
Exactly.
Okay. We'll try again. 16 valid password found.
Again, what the heck?
This is weird. Why is it doing that? Is it because like it's founding too much like good passwords, so it just like keep searching for it for like 16 other password, and I don't know. This is so weird.
Wait, where's that command I just had? Okay, there's that. Oh my gosh.
It don't seems to be working. Why? Adjust the
Hydra's
URL.
crazy.
Yeah, I don't get it. Like we need an expert here. We need Jack to up on the stream and help us out. The fuck is going on?
Jack.
I don't think Jack is around at all. What? Oh! I think I got it. I think I understand a bit more now. It's because it's missing a parameters, which is... Oh no. No, it's the good one. It's admin.
Holy crap, there's so much in this thing.
Yeah, it's basically hard. Still getting 16 valid password. Let's go. What the... This is crazy. Why is it doing that? Is somebody in the chat know why it's broken and it's giving me like so much good result? Just help us out. We are not able to figure out why it's not working right now.
I think I almost have it.
Add to your password, admin, invalid username, user password, username or password invalid. It's the good IP. Yeah. Yo, I don't know. Everything seems good on my point.
Yeah. Oh wait.
Like if I do slash u.
Alright. Here goes nothing.
Yo, the syntax is crazy. I don't get it at all. Password invalid. Replace the IP address admin. So this is the pose form. This is the endpoint where the login form is located. Adjust the URL according to actual login form location, which I did. Username. Specify the post data sent to the login form. Replace user and pass with placeholder for the username and password. Oh. Is it because of that? No way.
I just did that and I still get... Yeah, I still get 16 valid passwords.
Oh, you get this also? So it's just not me.
Yeah, this is the command I just...
Oops.
is what I just ran.
I don't have the same comment as
I don't-
you though.
I don't even know if I'm doing it right.
Username or password invalid. And this is password. Or maybe it's password is pass. So if I'm doing like password like that. And same shit here. Which would be user name. It says starting user pass error password.
Oh, we gotta put login equals. We gotta put login equals login, and then the semicolon for.
Can you
invalid
write it down in
password or
Discord?
username. Yeah, I got you. I think that's why it's not working.
No,
This
I will
is,
take note of
another
that.
snippet.
I'll take note of that for sure.
This website's pretty good. Post it.
Hydra. Username.
I think that's why it's not working though, but I'll try.
It's weird. I'll let you try it. I'm trying to like figure out something else. Variable argument need at least the string user pass. Okay, so this needs to stay like it was. Otherwise it's not working. Still getting valid password for no reason.
Maybe we gotta put the port in. Hold on. Where are you? Damn it. Okay. Hold on.
Ensure the HTTP post form syntax either accurately reflect the actual login form parameter and structure. The placeholder user and pass must match the form field. Let me actually try something else like network, and I'll just do like a test. There we go. So post request here. And HTTP post. Oh, this is small.
I don't want to try all these passwords.
Can I get like more info about all this? Because it says I don't understand what it's looking for here. Content, cookie, origin. I don't understand why I'm not able to see what I inputted from my requests. Percent. Is it normal I'm not able to see like the request at all?
To see the what now?
Like if I try to input something from the login, I cannot see like the request. Wait, I'll just use burp.
Oh, go to network.
Okay, I will go to okay, so network. This is where I was. So basically I did input like admin and test and login. And from there I can see that there is a post request and a get request.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not able to see more than that. Like I cannot see what was the request or something like that, like
What?
with what I tried to log in. And it's a HTTP only, so I should be able to see the information.
That is weird. It didn't even make a request. When you press request, it says no payloads.
Let me try to open burp and just maybe we'll get a different result from this. Because this is really important, I guess, for Hydra to be working. Was it working for the things you found online? I know you talked about that maybe there was like something missing in the syntax or something like that.
Yeah, I thought so, but
It's not working.
it's still not working for me. Yeah.
Okay.
I thought I was missing something.
Try something here. Just try to intercept and write admin test. Okay.
Oh wait.
Okay, so if you can see on my stream right now, when I try to like input with burp, it says user and pass. So it's not like username. It's just user equal admin and pass equal test.
Yeah, I have that in my my Hydra command.
Okay.
I just use user and pass.
There's a PHP, but this is not. I don't think we can do anything with that.
Yeah, I saw that cookie. Does that have? I wonder if that has to be in there somewhere.
I'll probably go soon to go eat. Because for me it's almost 6 p.m.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna try and figure this out. What the heck?
Yo, I don't understand at all.
Snare 3.
I see Blunt is online. I will ask him if he's available to just like help us with the syntax maybe or something like that. Because that's the only thing that is not working right now. Once we understand the syntax, we can just try to brute force and
yeah. It's literally just the syntax that's stopping us from this.
Don't seems to be answering me. Tap the password, admin, username. Oh, maybe this is the... What is not working? Pass. And username. Let's just use here. I still get the same results. Why? Username or password invalid. And if I try to just get rid of that. Error syntax.
Why isn't this working? Ugh. This is annoying. I need- Oh, here we go. Okay. I'll do Rocky.text.
Is it working on your side?
No, it's not. But I just, I started FFUF with Rocky.text, so maybe that'll work instead. I can't figure out how to use Hydra. Crazy. Dude, yeah, we're putting... We're putting everything we need to.
Yo, I think we can actually use, if I remember, we can use burps to actually brute force those also.
Yeah, you can. It's just, it's super slow, unfortunately. It's rate limited.
Yeah, I remember that. That sucks a bit.
Yeah, I know. But I'm running a, what's it called? Like I'm running a fuzz against it. I'm actually fuzzing the login form, but nothing so far. Checked 6,000 words so far. Right, I want to see if you can send this as a GET request.
So 200 is like a good request, right?
Yes, 200 is a good one.
Why is it giving me like only good requests?
I'm confused about that too. Well, oh, you mean on FUF? Oops.
On burp.
Oh, no. Oh, because it's that's a way that some websites will defend against brute force. They'll always give you 200s, so you need to you can send that again, but this time press the 200 thing above it, so that way it shows you all different requests. So if you see like a 301, that was your successful login.
So for example, if I do like a start attack here, so for the moment only 200.
Yeah.
It's pretty slow.
I'm actually running, instead of checking for admin now, I'm checking for John as a password. I mean, John as a username. Yeah, it just keeps giving me 16 valid passwords. We really gotta try all of these? That's ridiculous. Actually,
So this is for services, SSH, with Hydra. This is also for SSH, SSH. Web login. Okay. Specify password. We don't know the password, so we want to. Okay, this is good. I'm trying to figure out the syntax and everything. Right away, we see a couple get method list here, but let's see what happens if we attempt a login. Okay, so we see a post. Easy enough. Now we know what method to specify in our command. HTTP post form. Or does he see that? Wait. How does he know that? Of course.
but
Because he's checking like the
I didn't
network tab and he see post. So he said it's HTTP post form specifying the path to the attack. Just want to see the final comment though. Okay, in my case the unmodified request look like this. Username, this is good. Because we know the username. We are after his admin. I'm going. Okay. I'm going to hardcore that into the request. I also replace the password I entered with pass. This will tell Hydra to enter the password from our list in this position of the requests. Okay. Oh. I think I'm starting to get in what it's wrong. So actually you want to if we desire Okay, we'll try that. Admin. Still not working. And if I do only this, admin. Not working too.
Why isn't this freaking working? It's crazy.
How to admin. Bro, what the f. Why is it doing that? And if I do. Oh. And this. Even if I input like username equal admin, still it's not working. Why? Still get. Did you try like all the 16 valid password?
Yeah, no, I haven't tried that yet, actually. Now I'm going to. Just out of desperate. We're desperate.
Seems like we are having the goods, the good thing. That's why it's a bit weird, and I don't get why it's not working. What is L specifying here?
Username.
But we did specify it in the request at the end. So maybe we don't need it. I don't know. I'm just trying
I think
things.
that there's another directory somewhere. I mean, I don't know where, but I think it's inside of admin. Just missed it.
Wait.
I'm gonna fuss.
Is it working? I think it's searching for something. Wait.
Oh, dude, it worked. It worked that time.
I think.
Wait.
Because it seems to give me like feed, and you see it's searching for something or trying something. But I don't have like any verbose, so I don't see what is going on. You can see my syntax here. I don't think if
Yeah.
you can see it correctly, or maybe I can. I don't
No,
know.
I
if-
could see it.
Okay.
It's just the username. Remember in the parameters, it was just user and pass.
Yeah, exactly. Here I did Hydra admin for the user with the word list, the IP, HTTP post form because we know it's a post form, admin for the, because it's here we are on the login page of admin directory. In username, you need to input admin because we already know admin is the username we want to try every time it's trying to log in. So except you don't want to input user like this with those things, because before it was like user with those things, and it was just like giving me random 0 valid password found, 0 of 1 target completed. It says all children were disabled due to too many connection error.
Oh, what the heck?
I'll go eat, and I will end the stream on that. We can continue to look into that later or another day. or maybe just
Okay.
later.
I feel it.
And if you want to go ahead
Yeah.
and continue to search, I think we are on a good way. I just don't know why it's not working here. I would just get that in my note actually, just in case I need
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna keep trying to figure out Hydra, but yeah,
Yeah,
I'll still be
it's
on if you lock that on, man.
maybe Jack can help us out. He's actually streaming, I think, right now. So
Oh,
maybe
no
we
kidding?
can ask
Okay.
him or something like that. Yeah.
Huh. Okay.
Yep. So thank you for your help, and it was really cool to do some bucks and everything. I will surely do some more this week, and I will let you know when I will be on. Maybe I will try to come back after dinner or something like that. I don't know. I don't know if I will come back or not. I will ask you maybe how it goes if you continue to search about Hydra, and if you find something interesting, just let me know. And yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Sounds good, man. Have a good rest of your night and be safe.
Yes, you too. Be sure to take break.
Oh yeah, I'm about to go outside and take my dog for a walk.
Good. Yep. So stay safe, and I'll see you on like maybe later or another day.